Hello and welcome, Tino Galaxie here. How you guys doing today? Today I have an awesome tech unboxing, and it's gonna be the GPD Win Max 2, and it's right here. Oh boy, this is gonna be an awesome unboxing. Here is the box. You can see it right there. GPD, and then Win Max 2, and then you get the side right there. And on the back, there was nothing going on the back. I got the AMD 6800U with 16 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. So now let's proceed to go to the unboxing and first reactions. Awesome, very awesome. Let's put this on the side. And I was one of the first ones to order because I wanted a gaming PC, but then I wanted also, this one has like actual physical controls, so it's so cool. I was thinking of buying the 2021 version, but then the moment I decided to buy one, they actually announced that's the Win Max 2. So I was like, whoa, I'm just gonna get this one. And yes, people, I went broke, totally broke again. So on the Letters newsletter, they said that they will send you a free screen protector for your Win Max. So I just gotta put this to the side, and here is the big shell beefy thing. Oh wow, what is this? Oh, the cardboard, it's falling apart. Oh yes. Oh wow, it's so cool. Okay, I'm just gonna put this to the side for just a second. Ooh, let's see. Let's put this on the perspective so you can see it. Oh wow. I'm just gonna put this right here. Wow, this is so cool. So you do have buttons in the back. Ooh, very clicky and snappy. So open it up. Ooh, oh wow, the hinge. Oh wow, and it's already on. The moment I turn it on, it went on. It's so cool. And here is the controllers. Well, it's like an SD on steroids, man. It's like an SD on steroids. Wow, this feels nice. So it's gonna be an analog sticks, and then your PS Vita buttons, and then your mappable buttons in the back. Ooh, Windows. We're setting up Windows already, and it's touchscreen. The cool thing is touchscreen.
スクリーンリーダーを使用してデバイスを設定するには Windows プラスコントロールプラスエンターキーを押してナレーターをオンにしてください。
Yes, kudasai. I just understood kudasai. So let me show you a little bit. So you got your keyboard. Very cool, very neat. It feels. Oh wow. Your hand. I have big hands. I have big hands, and I feel a little bit cramped, but very comfortable. And then you get your mouse pad right here, which works. Oh wow, it works. It feels very good to touch. Very amazing. And then you got your shoulder buttons right here, and then the mappable buttons over here on the back. Ooh, very clicky. I really enjoy the snapping clicking of that. So it's a little bit hectic. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna show you what else is on the box. You get your documentations here. Gonna put this to the side. You also get your USB-C cable, and then your, wow, that's a hefty USB-C brick right here. Wow, how many voltage is this? 100 watts. 100 what? and the watts. And that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, so cool. Wow. It's already set up. Wow, so nice. And I have, wow, it's almost charged and everything. Wow, this looks so beautiful. The screen, if you can see, like, translate, it looks very right there. But this is so cool. And I'll show you a comparison in between the Win Max 2 and the Steam. Be back. Okay, so I got the Steam right here. I'll show you between the Steam Deck. If you can see, the Steam Deck is right here. So Steam Deck, it's around the shoulders, and then one side of the gaming pad, and then the screen around the side. But the screen, man, this is a 10 inches, and this is 7 inches. And those 2 inches is really making a difference. Holy cow. Because we're talking about, this is a 1080p for sure. This is 720. Also, you get more voltage in this one. You have more. It's a RDNA 2 from 6800U. It's very powerful game. It's like pretty much this. I'm saying this is more expensive. This comes to $1,000, and this comes to $400. So you get more bang for your buck right here than this. The only reason I got this, I was looking forward to a gaming laptop, but then I saw this, and it says like the controllers right here. You can totally get. I mean, you're not gonna get a typical laptop with a very powerful graphics card, because this is a APU. It's not doesn't have like a CPU and a GPU. It's this all combined in one. So the more energy you provide, it gives you more performance. And this is, I mean, for the reason I'm gonna use it, this is, I feel like this is very powerful, very good. This is most, I mean, you can do a lot. I mean, people done crazy stuff with this, like way, like I cannot comprehend how people have ideas to do so much stuff with the Steam Deck. And this, oh, this is amazing. I hope you guys like it. This was the GPD Win Max 2 unboxing. I am gonna, I mean, I still have to do a bunch of videos of Steam Deck and this one, but this is gonna be, I gotta be doing a bunch of videos on this and the other one, gaming. Gonna show you some gaming. Still trying to figure out how to show you, find a way I can record and stuff, but I'll be working on that. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll be showing you a full review on this coming up soon. GPD Win Max 2, once I get to play with it a little bit, so I'll give you my opinions on that. Also, Steam video review coming up soon, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching Tino Galaxie. See you in the next video the next day.